I don't know about y'all, but I really like, did I just say y'all? That's funny. Okay, congratulations, you win some bags. No. Okay, you win paper. Hi everyone, my name is Cindy and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. Thank you so much for watching. We received all of these products in the mail and today we're going to open them up right in front of you. Now as usual, we are giving away everything in this video, so check out the link below on how you can be entered to win. Now, I really want you guys to know about Patreon, because supporting us there allows you to see our videos weeks before anyone else, while it helps us to pay for shipping all this to you. It's a win-win. How can you lose? Details are also below. Now, who is ready for the unboxing? It's like Christmas at night. So it's the eve of Christmas? All right, Christmas in July, or whatever month it is. I don't even know anymore. I'm super excited. All right, guys, who is ready? What is behind box number 1? Woo-hoo-hoo. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, congratulations, you win some bags. No. Okay, you win paper. No. Look, do you remember this video? Anika and I did it and it was awesome. The digital temperature controller by BNLink. This was amazing. Let's open it up and refresh your memory. And if you didn't see it, that's okay. This will give you a chance to jog your memory and hear what it's all about. So check out this bad boy. That's right, we got you plugged in. That's right, we don't want you unplugged. It's all about having this incredibleness. Now let me tell you about it. It is a digital temperature controller by BNLink, and it allows you to see so much in terms of controlling the heating and cooling of your devices simultaneously, which is amazing because with this weather, like I feel like it's very bipolar. You have a heating and cooling receptacle right on the front, and it is a digital screen that displays the current and the set temperature. So you can think ahead and be like, you know what, when I get home tonight, I want it to be nice and cool for when I'm going to sleep. I don't know about y'all, but I really like, did I just say y'all? That's funny. But I really like to have a nice, cool room when I'm sleeping. If you agree, comment below. Now, this thermostat controller actually can be used for seeding germination and rooting, brewing, fermentation, and more, keeping your various environments, whatever you're doing. So if you're somebody that wants to grow, you know, whatever you happen to grow, you have a greenhouse, whatever it happens to be, this is something that will allow you to do it. Set it and forget it. Amazing. So there you go. Box number 1. Now, box number 2. Are you guys ready? Woo! Okay, here we go. Wait for it. Wait for it. Drum roll, please. Come on, guys. Really? Is that your drum roll? I know you can do better than that. Don't hold out on me. Ooh, bubble tape. Now, this is super fun, guys. Oh, okay. I'll stop. All right, no, seriously, what are we giving away? This. Now, you might be wondering, why doesn't it come in a box? Well, it did. It came in this one. Now, we actually got rid of the original box it came in. We did a video on this, and it was such a hit, we decided we're going to give it away. People were writing us and telling us how much they loved it, and now we are offering it to you, our viewers. Now, if you're curious about the specs and you want to see more about it, you got to watch that video. We got it here, no worries. But let me tell you a bit about it. Now, it is a dual dash cam for cars by EACE, which has a 1080p front camera and an inside cabin camera that rotates 360 degrees to capture video in any direction. The front camera has vision for night. That's right. On a night like this, how perfect. And parking monitor and G-sensor. What does that mean? Well, if you happen to be parked and you're not there and somebody hits your car, this bad boy will actually start recording and see what happens. And the G-sensor, if you end up getting in an accident, this will ensure that the footage does not get deleted. Very, very crucial. So this is absolutely something, and I know a lot of times it's their word versus your word. This can be your foolproof way to save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Definitely very good. And it has a 170-degree wide-angle lens and a cabin camera, 140-degree angle lens with loop recording. Everything is saved on an SD card, and it's a good camera for Uber, for Lyft. I mean, this is something for everyone. Just saying. I want this. All right, guys, what's next? You might be wondering. I know I'm wondering. What could we possibly be giving away? Well, let me tell you. Box number 3. Now, if you really want to win any of these cool prizes or all of them, you are going to want to stay to the end, my friends, because we are going to show you how you can get these amazing things. Now, what are these? This is an indoor remote control outlet. Let me show you just how fabulous it looks. Now, we have 3-in-1. Check it out. Now, this is pretty cool because using this plate, it does have a plate. So you can see it has all 3 here. 3 by 3. Do you see a pattern here? All right, so you can actually use the plate. You can put the switch on the wall and it controls the 3 outlets. And they were already paired in the box. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this is something that you will be able to have corresponding. So they're meant to be together. It's very romantic and beautiful. And the wall switch comes with its own battery. So they thought of everything. Batteries are included. And you can also turn them on or off by using the switch on the side. It has a learning switch. It says learning, on or off. I wish we had a learning switch, you know what I mean? All right, so, and it's absolutely a great thing. You can't control them with your smartphone, but if you wanted to put a simple switch, you could. And that is something that we can show you on one of our videos. I do believe we have it out there. And the range is 100 feet, and we put the link for more details in the description, guys. So you definitely want to win this because this will make your life so much easier. Now, if you thought these were great, I'm just like, hello? Who wouldn't want to win this stuff? Come on, guys. Where is your enthusiasm? Why aren't I hearing you? I need to hear your comments. I would love to know what you're thinking. What is behind box number 4, you wonder? I mean, how can we get any better than this? And the gift keeps on giving. I feel like Cindy Claus. Okay, guys, what is... Oh my gosh, look, it's the outdoor version. This is so cool, guys. So if you thought it was awesome for indoors, check it out for outdoors. Now this is super cool because this is the outdoor remote control by HBN. And it comes with 3 outdoor waterproof plugs because goodness knows, it's doing all kinds of crazy stuff outside these days. And they are 15 amps. And like the indoor version, these are also already paired and can also be controlled locally by pushing the button on the front. And they are great for outdoor home and garden or Christmas lights. And the range is 100 feet. Quite a feat indeed. I love it. Amazeballs. Guys, are you excited? Like genuinely? Because I feel tremendously excited. All right, guys, are you wondering what is the last box? What is behind box number 5? Oh, the Fab 5. Let's see. Dun dun. Okay, guys. I love what it says. It says always on, always ready. That's how I feel. Amazing. All right, guys, check it out. This is the outdoor solar powered security camera S90 Pro. You probably saw Anika and I do this and show you what it was all about because it was so awesome. But just to refresh your memory, or if you didn't already see it, no problem. You can click on the video link and we will show you where it's at. This is the stand it comes with. And here it is. Yay! Does this ring a bell? Come on, guys. I know you know. I know you remember it. Yeah, it's literally flying off the shelves, guys. Okay, so to tell you a bit about this, we did a dedicated video on it, and it has a solar power 1080p camera with nighttime vision and 2-way audio. The camera is self-sustained by 3 solar panels with a built-in 10,000 milliamp hour battery. The outdoor temperature can be between -4 Fahrenheit and 140 Fahrenheit. That's a good range. I think so. And it's great to monitor your home Because you don't need to take them down or charge them up, you can stick them in high places. That's right. You are meant to be flying high. That's why it's got wings. Okay, guys? That's why it's got wings. And you can put it in your entrance, your garden, your backyard. Absolutely amazing. And when motion is detected, the camera can actually send an alert to your smartphone and record the video clips to your internal SD card. So let me ask you guys, what do you think of this unboxing? I mean, was it everything that you hoped it would be? I know for me, I was blown away. I just can't believe that we are able to give away such cool stuff. And it's just such an honor to be around such beautiful souls like you guys that have been supporting us. And I'm just so glad to be able to give back to you. So let us know what you think. Remember, supporting us on Patreon allows you to see our videos weeks before anyone else. So you get dibs. And it truly helps us and it helps you. So if you found this video useful, if you had any kind of insight, then please share it on social media. And also, there are these videos here on the side that you can check out, and the video on the top is our most recent one. And the one below, that's what I recommend to you. So please click on either one, check them out, and we appreciate you. Thank you for all your support.